Hi, I'm Rashmi Patil and you're watching Straight Up by Edexlive. Today, the Kerala Assembly passed an important bit of legislation. The Kerala Self-Financing College Teaching and Non-Teaching Employees Appointment and Conditions of Services Bill 2021. This bill was passed to guarantee services and bring in changes in terms and conditions for employees working in private colleges across the state. The bill was unanimously passed by the state legislature after it was spearheaded by R. Bindu, who is the Higher Education Minister, on October 11 and subsequently referred to the Subject Committee on Education. So, how exactly this bill is going to help employees working in private colleges? This bill will ensure salary, benefits like insurance, allowances, and leaves at the same level as government and aided colleges to the employees working in private colleges across Kerala. Henceforth, the education institutions and employees will be needed to enter into an agreement that specifies conditions such as grade, post, salary allowance, increment, overtime duty, period of appointment, and many such. The age limit for appointment and retirement will be as per the norms laid by the regulatory bodies. At the same time, the unqualified employees will be needed to meet the norms laid down by the UGC and other regulatory bodies within a set time frame. The employees will also be able to make an appeal against the disciplinary action taken by the private college management before the respective universities. Former Higher Education Minister K.T. Jalil also encouraged Health Minister Veena George to put in place some similar legislation for 500 private colleges which are affiliated to the Kerala University of Health Sciences. Now, to what extent this bill will be implemented in private colleges in Kerala, we will have to wait and watch. Thank you. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and share our videos. We will be back tomorrow with new updates.